I'm Mayor Sargent in downtown Tallahassee with reactions to Donna Adelson's guilty verdict. I'm taking a closer look at the impact of this verdict and how it's affecting the community.
The defendant is guilty of first-degree murder.
A guilty verdict for Donna Adelson coming down Thursday night. That's on 3 counts in the murder of her ex-son-in-law and former FSU professor, Dan Markell. Adelson is the 5th co-conspirator convicted in Markell's death. That's after jurors deliberated for about 3 hours Thursday evening.
Actually, I was surprised how quickly it came. It's an overwhelming sign by the jury of her guilt. They didn't even have a question.
Criminal defense attorney Tim Jansen followed the 12-day trial. Jansen told me the prosecution argued a clear motive for Donna Adelson to orchestrate the killing of Markell. A motive the jury couldn't deny. Wendy and Dan Markell's divorce and custody battle, along with her desire to relocate to South Florida.
We were all waiting for this defense theory, and there never was a theory. And it was like pointing fingers, trying to poke holes in stories.
Jansen said the defense's best argument came too late at closing arguments.
She's a meddler, not a murderer.
She didn't come up with this line until the closing. It was too late. But if she'd have said the meddler, not a murderer, she might have done much better.
Defense attorneys for Adelson, Joshua Zellman and Jackie Fulford, sent me this statement. The Markell and Adelson families suffered a great loss. We certainly respect the jury's verdict and appreciate their attention throughout the lengthy trial. We will continue to advocate on Donna Adelson's behalf in all appropriate forums. Jared Ross, a friend of Dan Markell's and the co-director of the organization Justice for Dan, said each conviction helps accomplish their mission.
There's a little bit more justice that's been handed out, and I think a little more relief that the only justice that can be levied is being levied.
He tells me he doesn't think this will be the last person to be tried.
And we did hear a lot about Wendy in this case. The same way in Charlie's case, we heard a lot about Donna. And it just seems like there's some breadcrumbs that are being left behind.
A case management has been scheduled for Donna Adelson on October 14th at 2:30 p.m. Adelson has not been sentenced yet. We have been told by Judge Stephen Everett that will happen at a later date. In downtown Tallahassee, Mayor Sargent, ABC 27.